Hey everyone, if you're an Amazon Prime Visa cardholder and need to update your billing address, don't worry, I've got you covered. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can get it done in no time. Whether you're moving houses or just correcting an error, it's easier than you might think. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. If you're not, head to the Amazon website and sign in with your email and password. Once you're in, look for the Accounts and Lists drop-down menu in the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and then select Your Account to access your personal settings. Now, scroll down the page until you see the section for Your Payments or Credit Cards. This is where you'll find your Amazon Prime Visa details. Click on Manage Your Amazon Visa to go to the dedicated card management page. On this page, locate the Billing Address option. It might be under your account overview or payment settings. Click on it to edit. Carefully enter your new billing address, making sure to double-check for accuracy. Typos here could lead to payment delays, so take a second to verify everything. After you've updated the information, hit the Save or Update button. Amazon might send you a verification email or text to confirm the change, so keep an eye on your inbox or phone. Once verified, your new address will be active. And there you have it. That's all it takes to change your billing address on your Amazon Prime Visa. This simple update ensures your payments go smoothly and your account stays up to date. If you run into any issues, Amazon's customer support is super helpful. Just reach out through their help center. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips like this. See you next time.